What up, guys? We're gonna do a quick review on the Rising Star XR1 Adidas. Now, this shoe, the Rising Star, was released in the 1980s, and this was the inspiration for the NMD Art 1. And you'll see why in just a second. This is the Never Made silhouette. It's not the silver and red. This is the triple black. I tried to look for it on YouTube and I couldn't find this type of review online. So this is a review. Hopefully it helps everybody out. You can see it's the same thing as the Never Made. It's just black. Has the leather and suede. You can see it's basically the same thing. Let's get to it. So first of all, let's start off with the toe box. You can see the hints of leather with suede surrounded by the toes. You see the midsole. You see the EVA plugs. The 3 embroidered stripes. Now in the shoelaces, you see the 3 plastic plugs surrounded by leather. The tongue, the 2 logos. The 2 logos that mark the Adidas brand, as you can tell. You can see it's a beautiful shoe surrounded by leather. You can see the white midsole. The only one back EVA plug. It's a beautiful midsole. Pure boost. The heel, you see the stitchman, triple stitchman in the back heel. You got the triple logo. Surrounded by beautiful leather. It's a simple shoe, yes, but the leather and the details and the stitchman on the shoe is very beautiful. That's a triple black. You pretty sure everybody knows that this shoe can be worn with any type of color. Shorts, pants, you name it. You can see the inside of the shoe, the sock liner. It's a bright red. It's brand new still. The shoe has been worn, but I've worn many of these shoes. I know that they're really comfortable. You got the Continental sole on the bottom. You see the EVA, the torsion right there in the middle. You can see the foam through the sole. You got your traditional sole as well. Alright, guys, I hope you guys like this content. I'll be doing more reviews on different type of shoes. Just trying to educate you guys about this later.